Guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashima, and for today's video I'm going to share my story of how my Instagram account got blocked temporarily, and I'm going to be creating this everyday kind of look using the viral TikTok hack. So if you'd be interested in watching, then let's continue. Disclaimer guys, that this video I'm not going to be like showing all the products. They will be listed in the description box below, but I would not be talking about all the products that I use. The products that you've seen me using on my face already, so no biggie. But yeah, my face is already moisturized, so I'm gonna get straight into the story of how my Instagram got disabled, what happened, how I got it back, all of that. So first off, how it got disabled. So I was unfollowing a lot of accounts which had like either been not in use for a very long time, or something that I had lost interest over, or somebody that I had lost respect for and I didn't want to follow them anymore. So I was unfollowing all of those accounts, and I got a message that suddenly my account has been disabled and I do not have access over it. I could not do anything. I couldn't even like post a story. So that was pretty sick, and I was pretty upset about it, to be very honest. As soon as I got that message, I got onto working because I have two phones. I thought maybe I'll have the access from the other phone, it's just revoked from this phone. And then I got to know that no, altogether the email itself has lost the access to the account, which was pretty disheartening, and there was not really much that I could do about it. So I got started on like emailing Instagram from the very first go. I did not want to wait ki kuch ho and then I'll like start emailing them and stuff like that, because I had gotten no message from them about my account getting disabled. So I got started ki bhai, I need to get my account back. I have to like reach out for help to the like support staff and stuff, but honestly they're not very helpful. Like they weren't very helpful to me. 90% of the emails that I got from Instagram's team seemed like they were computer generated. They were canned responses that they send out to everybody, and they have a procedure of giving you your account back, okay? Which is that you send them an email telling them that my account has been disabled and all of that, and then they send you a code. I'll keep inserting screenshots of everything as well so you guys can see what I did. So they send you a code. You have to write that on the paper, and along with that you have to write your username and your full name, okay? And based on that photo, they try to identify if the right person is trying to access the account or not. And I sent that photo around thrice or 4 times to the team, which was not very helpful, because I was making a mistake, okay? I would not completely blame Instagram here, but they never really mentioned it in any of the emails that whatever contact email that you are putting in needs to be something that is not already used by another Instagram account. So I have 3 email accounts and I have 3 Instagram accounts with it. One is my lazy workaholic chick account, which you guys saw as my backup account. The one that is my main account, ashmachetta99, is the one that got blocked, and hence I could not use that email itself. And the last one is my business account, which I used to like have as a college student, which is Innovace Artworks. That was also running on my email address. So all 3 of my email addresses that I have was working with Instagram already. So I had no clue that whatever email address I put has to be a new one, a fresh one, which hasn't been used with Instagram ever before this. So I did this process with them around 3 or 4 times, and never did they mention this thing that the account has to be fresh. It has to be something that hasn't worked with Instagram ever and stuff like that. They never mentioned that, and my account was blocked for 8 good days, 8 or 9 days. And even after that, they did not contact me, okay? I'll tell you what exactly happened, but before this, I'll tell you exactly what the procedure is. So you apply for it, they send you this code, and after this, like once they can identify your page as you, it has to have your photos for them to identify that account for you. And once they do that, they set you a password reset email, and once you reset your password, you get the access back to your account. That's how it's supposed to work. Okay, but in most cases it does not work that way, because the code never appears. If you have two-step verification on your account, you need a code to unlock your account, okay, which I never received. That was the initial issue that I had when trying to unlock my account. If I had gotten that particular code, this whole procedure did not need to happen at all. And nobody, like even my friends from digital marketing and digital media, did not have any clue about how I could get my account back. And that was more like worrisome for me, that nobody has seen something like that happening with their accounts. And even if they have, they don't know how to resolve it. And I started looking for videos and people who had similar experiences, and there were not a lot of people who had talked about it in open. They just said that their account got disabled and with a lot of work they got it back, but nobody ever talked about how they got it back. Now I'll tell you how I got it back. I was at my Masi's place, and I was talking to my sister, my cousin, about it, that my account got disabled, and I told her all about it. And when I got back home, she asked me just what happened exactly, what exactly is the error message that you see, because she has a friend working in Instagram, okay? And I told them everything that had happened. I told them each and every email that I had gotten from Instagram, what exactly happened with me, why I think my account got disabled, and all of that. And she contacted her friend, who then raised an internal escalation for my account, okay? And the issue this time that they told me that what was happening is that I was contacting them from an email that was already registered with Instagram for another account. Hence, they could not register it for my primary account, which is Ashima Chadda 99. And had they mentioned that in any one of the loads of emails that they sent me, this issue would have been resolved around at least a week before it actually did. So if your account ever gets disabled and you try to open it through the two-step verification, that is not going to happen. Let me just tell you that outrightly, because the code never gets sent if your account is linked to your Facebook account. If you're lucky and you didn't ever link your Instagram account to your Facebook account, you still might get the access back easily. And you basically need a fresh email address which has not been ever used for any account on Instagram or Facebook, and that's how you're going to get your account back. You send them an email. So basically, when you fill out the form, fill your new email as the contact email. That is where they're going to send you all the details once you identify yourself, once they can confirm your identity with that paper thing. They'll send you a reset email. You get the reset email, you reset your password, then you get a two-step authentication password on your new attached email account, and then you get access back to your account. So if your account, God forsaken, ever gets disabled, that's how you can get it back. I think I'm pretty happy with how my base looks as well. The hack actually works for me. If you don't apply a ton load of product, it actually works. The contour, maybe I didn't use the right lipstick for it. It was drying out really fast, but I think the makeup looks pretty fine, and I would love to wear this look for normal days, summer days, because this is a pretty glow from within kind of look, and I could easily just top it off with a lipstick and finish this look off, and maybe some mascara as well. Yeah, just that is gonna finish my look. That was my story of how my Instagram got disabled. I hope it never happens to any one of you, because the process is pretty irritating and annoying. But if it does, I hope this video is able to help you in understanding what you need to do and the mistakes to avoid. I'll repeat it again just in case somebody has missed it. If you have two-step verification on your account and your account is linked to your Facebook account, don't even try getting the code on your email in the first place. Just straight away apply for like help through their forget password and then I don't have access to this email or this phone number process, and the team should start sending you emails about it and you should start getting help. Second, whatever email address you put as your contact email needs to be an email that is not already linked with some other Instagram account. And third, try not to link your Facebook account and your Instagram account together, because that creates more of an issue. Maybe like this is what people told me, that if your account hadn't been linked to your Facebook account, it might have been easier for you to get the access to your account back sooner. Yeah, and I am also done with the look. This is like a 10-minute 15-minute kind of look for me, which I really like. And yeah, so that's it for today's video. I know it wasn't really the most interesting one maybe, but I want to share my story time for anyone and everyone that it might help. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you haven't, then hit the bell icon as well so you're notified the next time I post a video. Bye. Love you all.